The 1980s brought such trends as giant shoulder pads, big hair, and goat cheese on every menu of every fancy restaurant nearby. And here to celebrate the world of goat cheeses, because that trend stuck, is Jack Bishop.
Yeah, I didn't bring my big hair and I didn't bring my big shoulder pads, but I brought the goat cheese.
All right, all right.
You know, we think of goat cheese as, this, but all of these things are goat cheese. And it is a wide, wonderful world, and you get to travel with me.
I'm very excited. I love goat cheese.
So first up, this is a Laura Chanel fresh goat cheese. This is an American cheese. Probably Laura Chanel is the most famous of the American cheesemakers in the goat field. It's bright, lemony, delicate, a little bit crumbly, a little bit creamy, absolutely delicious.
It's gorgeous. It's smooth, it's bright, nice and salty. Love it.
Yeah, a lot of goat cheese can then be aged. And as it's aged, it gets more nuanced. You get more caramelly notes, nutty notes. The next cheese is from France. This is the Valençay here.
Gorgeous.
It's got ash, and this is vegetable ash, which actually has a function. It doesn't have much flavor, but it has a drying out. So it helps the exterior of the cheese, in this case, sort of allows a relatively young cheese to hold its shape. It can also be the ash in the middle, which gives you a sort of contrasting texture. The middle of this cheese with the ash running through it is a little bit drier than the parts that are further away from the ash. The other thing about this is, of course, this was once a pyramid, or at least that is the legend. And because of Napoleon's losses in Egypt, they removed the top of the pyramid so he wouldn't be reminded of Egypt every time he saw this cheese.
I do not doubt that story at all. That makes total sense, knowing Napoleon.
Yeah, so what did you think of that cheese? I mean, it's obviously quite different from the fresh goat cheese.
It is. It still has some salty notes, but it's got a lovely kind of lemony flavor to it.
Yeah. So next up, for the Boucheron, also from France. Now this has got a bloomy rind like a camembert or a brie. I really think of this as two cheeses in one. You get the best of brie and goat cheese. It's got two textures, double the deliciousness.
It's two cheeses in one.
It's two cheeses in one. I mean, this is just a glorious, yeah.
That's buttery and tangy. Oh, that's gonna wake you up, but I love the texture. You get a little bit of that crumbly texture, and this is almost like a sauce.
Last but not least, we're going to southern Spain. This is the drunken goat. This is aged close to 2 months. It's got a much firmer texture. You can actually slice it. The rind is from being dunked into red wine, which gives it that unique color. I wouldn't say it adds a lot of flavor, but it's quite distinctive.
Beautiful.
So you got to pick one favorite goat cheese, which is the one that you're going to want to take home tonight.
This one. Not even hesitating.
Yeah, I was about to say.
It's absolutely beautiful. The Boucheron is absolutely gorgeous. It's got that creaminess. It's got that little bit of a crumbly center. Beautiful rind.
Yeah.
Not kidding around with that one.
Well, thank you, Bridget.
Well, if you want to learn more about goat cheese, you can go to our website where we have all of this information and so much more. Hey there, fellow fans of cooking. Want to stay in the know?
Visit americastestkitchen.com and sign up for our free Notes from the Test Kitchen email newsletter.
Get exclusive tips, seasonal recipes, product reviews, and more delivered straight to your inbox.
Sign up for free at americastestkitchen.com. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it.
Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
And if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, head over to americastestkitchen.com and get a free all-access trial membership.
While you're there, you can sign up for our free email newsletters and download our app.
With unlimited access to over 14,000 of our test kitchen recipes and 8,000 product reviews, you'll have everything you need to cook and learn.
So I ask, what are you waiting for?
Let's make something great together.